Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start on the watch itself because this is the fastest, most direct method. Make sure your Apple Watch is charged, unlocked, and awake. If it's locked, enter your passcode now. That avoids delays. Once ready, press the digital crown to reach the home screen. Next, tap the gray Settings app icon. This is where the system details live. You're doing this on the device because it reports its model and software directly without needing another gadget. Once in Settings, scroll and tap General. It groups system-level details. You'll see about near the top. Tap it to open the full information view. This screen lists model, model number, and software version. Those three fields identify your watch precisely. Read the model number, starts with A to match hardware, and the software version to confirm watch OS. If you need the exact series, use model or model number together with Apple's model mapping. That gives the definitive hardware generation. After noting model and software version, you're done. That tells you the Apple Watch series and current watch OS. If the About screen shows blanks or frozen values, reboot. Press and hold side button, slide power off, then restart. This refreshes system info. If the watch is unavailable or unusable, only then use the iPhone Watch app. Open My Watch, right arrow General, right arrow About to view the same fields. Make sure to retry the device for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.